Jason compares the prices of 3 pizza restaurants that each charge a one-time delivery fee. He compares the total cost in dollars of X number of 14-inch pizzas using the functions shown in the table. So here we have restaurant Q, restaurant R, and restaurant S. So restaurant Q, each is Q of X equals 17.49X plus 250. Restaurant R's function is R of X equals 15.99X plus 350. Restaurant S's function is S of X is equal to 16.50X plus 299. Question A says, what is the cost of the least expensive pizza without a delivery fee? So, since X is representing the number of 14-inch pizzas, that means in each equation, the number in front of the X represents the cost of the pizza. So to figure out which one is the least expensive, we want to look at all of our equations here and find which one has the smallest number in front of the X, or the smallest slope. So here, that would be 15.99. So the answer to letter A would be 15.99. Not 15.99X, just 15.99. And you know you need to type numbers in here because they're both started off with a dollar sign. So some people wanted to put like restaurant R here because it has the least expensive pizza, but that's not answering the question correctly because since we have the dollar sign here and it wants to know the cost, we need to put that 15.99, $15.99. B says, what is the cost of the lowest delivery fees? So in all three functions, the delivery fee is the number that's added on to the end. So the amount it's going to cost you no matter how many 14-inch pizzas that you get. So we're going to look, and it looks like the smallest one here is $2.50. So you would type in here 2.50. Again, you don't want to write restaurant Q, you want to write the cost, $2.50.